So guys, if you're an Ethereum lover or you're a fan of transactions, so you want to check out how to use a layer 2 rollups to avoid major gas fees. So guys, the article was done by Mark on CoinMarketCap Alexandria in Ethereum section. We're looking at some table of contents here. So guys, if you are unsubscribed, you are not subscribed yet to our channel, you want to click on the subscribe button to support us, and also it gives you an opportunity to be able to turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever we drop uploads that could and can be beneficial to you. So guys, you can also give our videos thumbs up and more guys. So we're going to head up straight. It says ultra high gas fees and slow transaction times have tested the loyalty and patience of Ethereum users ever since it became the leading smart contract platform. Despite everything, Ethereum was still processing roughly 1.19 million transactions per day as of January 2022, amid a massive dip in the market. However, the concerns of existing users cannot be ignored if Ethereum wants to remain on top, especially with the proliferation of faster chains like Solana, BSC, Phantom, and many more. Now, the best immediate solution for Ethereum scaling problem is undoubtedly Layer 2 roll-up technology, which has been in development and pursued by separate entities since at least 2017. So if such a solution exists, everyone should already be using it, right? So the truth here is that there are some trade-offs to Ethereum on-chain that currently prevent Layer 2s from going mainstream. However, if low fees and fast transactions are really important to you, you need to accept the fact that there will be extra steps you need to take. The roll-ups are not plug-and-play solutions. They are slightly more technical and have friction due to the requirement of bridging from layer 1 to layer 2 and vice versa. So thankfully, roll-up projects have made several breakthroughs in the last year that have significantly improved their user experience and features. So looking at what layer 2 rollups are, I said layer 2 rollups are scaling solutions predominantly utilizing the Ethereum ecosystem, which outsource the execution of transactions outside the main blockchain, but retain some data per transaction on-chain. So this allows transactions to leverage the same security model as the Ethereum main network while being processed in a separate layer, preventing network congestion and enabling faster confirmation times. So there are two types of rollups, which comes with its own design and security properties. So we have the optimistic rollups. Optimistic rollups do not conduct transaction computation by default, hence they can scale Ethereum better by a factor of 10 to 100x. Moreover, they can process complex smart contracts. This stands in contrast to zero knowledge ZK rollups, which are mostly capable of running simple transactions. However, withdrawal times for optimistic rollups are significantly longer than ZK due to fraud challenges. So the ZK rollups batches of transactions from layer 1 to 2 and creates a validity of proof of every batch. So this drastically reduces the data size of transactions, which in turn lowers gas costs and shortens confirmation times. Unlike optimistic rollups, ZK rollups do not require fraud challenges since the validity proofs are already verified. So those are some perks about it. And top layer 2 rollups, we have Polygon. Polygon is a layer 2 platform that describes itself as Ethereum's internet of blockchains, offering not only a scaling solution but also a framework of interoperability with other layer 2 protocols. So here's how to get started with Polygon. You need to download the MetaMask, paste the following details so you connect it to your MetaMask wallet. The notable rollups protocols currently only on Polygon are ZK Sync, ZK Swap, and L2 Dex Zigzag. So you have Arbitrum. Arbitrum is an Ethereum scaling solution based on optimistic rollups that enables messages to pass between smart contracts from the main network to the Arbitrum second layer chain, where the bulk of the work is being done. Now, to use Arbitrum rollups, you need to also connect it to your MetaMask and paste the the place the written respective feeds with the phrases that are here so it can connect successfully. Then we have optimism is, as the name implies, one of the leading optimistic roll-up technologies featuring a network layer designed to scale up smart contracts while having the security of the Ethereum chain. So guys, there are loads of them, guys. We won't be able to go into most of them. So I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to it. But it says here in conclusion, if you would want to go into using it, say then should you use the layer 2 rollups unless you really trade cryptocurrencies or only trade extremely large amounts that make $200 gas fees negligible? The answer should be a resounding yes. So since rollups can dramatically reduce transaction costs, we recommend using layer 2 for most of your Ethereum activities, not only in swapping tokens but also in performing decentralized finance, DeFi activities on NFT minting. So that's it, guys. Your back keys. Peace out. One love, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and see you in our future uploads.